These days, it feels like the brands you love are everywhere online, on your social media feed, in search results, or even in your inbox. While it might feel like magic, it actually is the result of a carefully planned digital marketing strategy using the three key types of media: owned, earned, and paid. In this lesson, we'll break down the characteristics of owned, earned, and paid media, explore how they work together in the digital marketing trifecta, and help you understand how to use them effectively to amplify your brand's presence. Let's start with owned media. Owned media includes all the content and channels your brand controls. Think of your website, blog, email newsletters, social media accounts. These are spaces where you dictate the message, timing, and audience. The beauty of owned media is control. You're in charge. But it also comes with responsibility. You need to consistently create valuable, engaging content to keep your audience coming back. For example, a blog post that educates, a newsletter that inspires, or a social media post that resonates. These are all examples of owned media in action. But owned media doesn't work in isolation. That's where earned media comes in. Earned media is like a badge of honor. It's the word of mouth, reviews, shares, and mentions your brand gets because people love what you're doing. This could be a glowing review on Yelp, a customer sharing your post, or a journalist writing about your product. Here's the catch with earned media: you can't directly control it. You earn it through trust, credibility, and delivering real value. It's free exposure, but it requires a foundation of owned media to build trust and a willingness to engage authentically with your audience. Next up is paid media. This one is straightforward. You're paying to promote your brand. It includes things like search ads, sponsored social media posts, and display ads. The advantage of paid media is its ability to quickly reach a larger targeted audience. Want more eyes on your content? Paid media can make it happen. But it's not just about throwing money at ads. To make paid media effective, you need to align your messaging with your audience and have a clear call to action. Now here's where it all comes together, the digital marketing trifecta. The trifecta is the strategic combination of owned, earned, and paid media. Think of it as the sweet spot where all three types of media work together to amplify your brand. Let's break it down with an example. You write a blog post, owned media, on your website about tips from using your product. A customer loves it and shares it on their social media, earned media. Then you promote that blog post using a targeted ad, paid media. When these three media types work in harmony, they reinforce each other. Owned media gives you control and credibility. Earned media builds trust and extends your reach. Paid media ensures your message gets in front of the right people at the right time. So how do you put this into practice? Assess your owned media channels. Are they strong and consistent? If not, focus there first. Encourage and leverage earned media. Think reviews, user-generated content, or partnerships with influencers. Layer in paid media strategically. Use it to amplify your efforts. The key is balance. Each type of media has its role, but when combined, they are a powerful, unified strategy that drives awareness, engagement, and conversions. Now, take a moment to evaluate where your brand stands in the digital marketing trifecta and identify one action to improve your owned, earned, or paid media this week. Remember, small steps lead to big results.